This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the trunk and peel back the side carpeting to expose the upper shock mount. Remove the upper mount nut. Note that there are 2 more bolt studs protruding through the body, which must be removed from the wheel well side after the vehicle is raised and the wheel is removed. Pry off the wheel trim caps. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Remove the rear wheels. Support the trailing arm with a floor jack. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Remove the 2 upper mounting bolts and remove the shock absorber and coil spring from the vehicle. Install the shock absorber to the fender well. Screw in the fender well upper mounting bolts and install the lower mounting bolt. Also, install the upper mounting nut working from inside the vehicle. Raise the trailing arm with a jack to simulate normal ride height. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Tighten the upper mounting bolts and nut to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack from the trailing arm. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim caps, applying firm pressure to secure them in place. Reposition the side carpeting to its original position.